Let me record. Okay. Okay, so I have seen your request and let me check it again.
Okay.
Okay, so as per your request, I can see you want a simple portfolio and you want to showcase there your work and letter of reference of simple candidate. Okay, yes, so it's basically a portfolio website that you are looking for, right?
Yeah, I've tried to create a little bit on my own, but I'm not very good. I can show you what I've tried to do. Is there a way I can flip this around? Oh, here we go. So I need a lot of help, and I was just gonna see if you could do that. So I want to have I'm a publicist, and my company is closing, so I want to do like a portfolio to help me get like a new job in the future and or freelance and get clients. But I'm looking for something like very simple. I'm just really, really bad at like creating stuff like this. But like something pretty simple. So like my name, I have my picture, and then this. I did that well. And then like I want to showcase my media placements. But as you can see, like you see how some of them are different sizes and stuff. Like this has taken me hours just to do something like that simple. So like I want to display like 12 to 16 of these, and those are just screenshots that I can provide you with the screenshots and send them to you. I literally like can't line them up to save my life. I don't know. And then like down here, I have a video of my client on CBS News. This video right here. Well, this is the ad, but my client was on CBS News, and so it's only like 11 seconds, but I wanted to display her video there. And then I want to have a section where you can see like 2 of my press release examples. And so this is what I came up with, but I don't know, like you can just see like the design's not very well, and I don't really know how to space anything, but I want to have 2 examples. And then my boss write me a reference page.
Can you send me this website link to WhatsApp?
I don't know. Can I? I don't know how. See, I'm like really bad. I don't know how.
Okay, so just copy the website link at the browser and send it to me on WhatsApp so I can
Well, I
view.
don't have WhatsApp on the computer.
Okay, so you may
Can I
email.
email it to you?
Yes, you may.
Okay, perfect. But do you kind of understand what I'm looking for? Just something like really simple.
I understand. And do you have any example website, like as already have a website or someone doing something like that and you want to create something look like that? If you have any reference, that would be very helpful for me. Otherwise, I
Okay.
understand what I need to do with your website.
Okay, cool. I have a couple questions.
Yeah.
How long would this take you? Like how many days or weeks?
It will take 3 to 5 days to complete.
Oh, okay. 3 to 5 days.
Yeah.
And then I would just need to send you like all the documents, right?
Yes.
And how would I do that?
You may send them to me like is the document. You may write a Google Doc and you can put everything there and you can send it to me, or if you know how to make a PDF, then you can write the information there and you can send it to me. Anyhow, if you
Could I email it to you?
yes, you may send it to me with email, no problem. And the
I might be able to do Google Doc. If not, I'll do email.
okay, that's great.
Okay, and then how much is something like this, and what form of payment do you accept?
the website cost, my starting package is 200 USD, and the payment gateway will be, I will send you a payment request and you may pay with your debit or credit card or with your bank. I will send you a payment request. So you will have option to pay with your debit or the credit card or your bank. No problem with that.
What do you mean by that? Like,
Huh?
what do you do Venmo or no?
I will send you the payment request through the Payoneer.
Okay, is it all like secure and legit?
Yes, exactly. And also have another payment gateway. No problem with that. The payment gateway. And as well as I need to know, do you want to do only the website or the search engine optimization as well? Like if you have a domain already, then with your name maybe. So if anyone find you on Google, then you will be the Google search result at the first search. So
Oh, like SEO?
yes, the search
No,
engine
that's okay.
optimization.
I don't need that.
Okay,
No,
that's
no.
great. So I will do the website
I
only.
just need it simple.
I understand. And as well as you will get from me a 60 days free support, like as after done the website. If you have any issue with your website within 60 days, you don't need to pay me again to fix anything. And I will do a fully mobile responsive website. So because there are most of the people will visit your website from their mobile phone, so it will be fully mobile responsive. No problem with that. And do you have your domain already?
No.
Okay, no problem. So when we will create the website with Wix, and when you will
That's what you're gonna
buy
do it
the
through as
yes, when you will buy the plan for 1 year, then you will get a 1 year free domain with Wix plan. Do you
So
understand
I'm gonna
what I
need to
mean?
buy the 1-year Wix plan.
Yes, if you will buy the 1 year Wix plan, then you will get a 1 year free domain. So for the first year, you don't need to pay for your domain.
And do you know how much that's gonna cost me?
The hosting cost will be, I have my own website as well on Wix, and I am paying $8 per month.
Oh, only $8 a month?
Yes,
And then
because
I do that for a year?
yes, and
Oh, okay.
because on your website have not any online payment things, it's just information based. So we don't need a higher plan. We can use the $8 per month, and for the first year, you will get 50% off from the Wix hosting.
Okay, and then I have one more question. I already have a Wix account. I'm sure you do too. But wherever you create this website, can I have the username and password so I can go in and like edit and stuff if I want?
Exactly. After done the website, I will show you how can you easily go to the backend and how can you update them very easily. I will show you. Like as after 1 month, you want to update the picture or a text. So I will show you how can you easily update them with your own. Otherwise, if you don't know or if you don't have time to change, then you may knock me for the small things. I will not charge you. Like as you want to change a picture, you want to change the description. So the
I think
small
I
thing,
kind of know how to do it,
yeah,
as you can see, but I just need help, you know?
okay.
So, um, it'll be $200?
Yes, $200.
Okay. And then, okay, I do want to do this, so let's go ahead and do it. I have to wait. I'm waiting a couple days to get my reference letter from my boss. Um, so maybe we can start. Today is Monday. Maybe we start Wednesday, Tuesday or Wednesday. I'll reach back out. I'll reach back out in like 1 to 2 days, and then we can get started. Does that sound okay?
Yeah, it's okay, no problem. Once I will get the information from you, then I can start working on it. And as well as you may give me your Wix login access, or there have another way to give the access, that is you may add me on your website as a contributor, like a website manager. So I will have access on your current website. I think you may give me your login access, so I will have
Yeah, I can give you
full
my
access
login.
on your
And
Wix.
then I'll send you like another portfolio example that I like. But like I said, it can be like really simple.
It's okay, no problem. And if you know how many pages you want on your website, like as for a general website, we must need to have there like as home, about, and contact page. So I think for your website, we need to do a home page, a about page, a showcase page. There will have your experience and everything, and a contact page. So if anyone want to contact with you, we need to put a forum there. They will use that forum to contact with you, and as well as we can put your phone number or Instagram or other social media things. So if anyone want to hire you for their help, so they can contact with you through them, the contact from social media things, and your phone number as well.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah, I'll do a contact page, about me page, reference page, press release page, and media placement. So 5 pages. Is that okay?
Yes, it's okay, no problem.
Okay. Well, thank you so much. Nice to virtually meet you. I will reach out in 1 or 2 days and then we'll get it started, okay?
Yeah, sure. And one more thing, once we will start working on it, so my payment things will work like is 50% you need to pay at first, and once the website will be done, then you may pay rest of the 50%.
Okay, so 100 and then 100, right?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, that makes sense. Sounds good. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Yeah, you are most welcome. So I am gonna adding you on my workspace, and just let me know when you will have the information and we can start working on it. And do you have the logo as well?
Do I have what?
Logo.
No.
If you want, you may include a logo there because it's look good. Otherwise, you may use a name for your website on the logo portion, because logo is the most important things. So if you want, you may create a logo with Wix as well. Otherwise, you may do the logo with Canva or something look like that way tools. Or if you want, I can do that as well for you. No problem with that.
Okay. Sounds good. I'll check into that and see.
Okay. Just let me
Okay.
know once you will have all of the information and we can start working on it.
Okay, perfect. Sounds very simple and easy.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. I appreciate it. Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Wow, what time is it there?
Now here is 5:06 a.m.
5 a.m.?
Yeah.
Wow, it's 7 p.m. here.
I understand. And you
Wow.
are from Florida, United States, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's okay. It was a very nice meeting with you. And can I upload this meeting on YouTube so my new
Yeah.
client will understand? Yes, we are doing the meeting very professionally. Okay.